This 2026 Palomino Puma Destination 403 LFT is a destination trailer RV. It is located in West Palm Beach, FL 33407 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Palomino is 42 feet 0 inches in length and features Sleeps 9 Slideout. The floor plan layout of this destination trailer features front kitchen, loft, rear bedroom, 2 entry/exit doors. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.